There are lots of different ways you can create a gift box. You can make a gift box from paper or fabric. You can decorate an old shoe box and turn it into a gift box. Or you can take a humble TP roll and create some fabulous shapes and designs. Perfect DIY gift boxes that you can use as party favors. You can make themed DIY gift boxes for Halloween or Easter, and you can use printables or origami. The gift box ideas shared here are designed to be fun and quirky. The gift boxes are often discarded. The ideas shared here today are always simple and inexpensive, often using recycled materials. And I would love to hear of any additional ideas you may have. We also have some DIY metal ideas, DIY paper design ideas, and many more. You can check in the playlist on this channel. Do you have making your beautiful gifts at home? Then why buy the expensive gift boxes for them? Make gift boxes at home too. Don't know where to start? Learn how to make gift boxes at home with these amazing more than 50 DIY gift box ideas that are quick and easy to understand. From miniature gift boxes to artistic style gift boxes to super unique gift boxes, you will get here many ideas to make all. Moreover, you will get here complete tutorial to build lasting longer wooden gift boxes too. You can watch these videos in the playlists given. However, in paper materials, the cardboard, cardstock, paper mesh, and thick papers will rock to make the homemade gift boxes of choice. If you are puzzled at gift box design selection, explore the collection of these beautiful gift box ideas, looking divine and crazily beautiful and providing a big range of homemade gift boxes. These boxes are the same you buy expensive from the shops. While making them at home, you will have the ease to personalize them easily. The DIY gift box ideas will cover all the popular types of gift boxes, including the exploding gift boxes that are highly trendy these days. You will also get the guides and hacks to decorate more of finely completed gift box. The very used embellishments will be forks, flowers, decorative tapes, ribbons, and custom toppers. However, you can use paint also to fancy up your gift boxes. Get inspired by fruits, men's suits, and various objects also. While making a gift box, you will get great inspiration in the first. Learn more about making a gift box by looking through all these DIY gift box ideas that cover all types of market gift boxes. Make emoji inspired gift boxes and use origami art to make quick and lovely gift wraps and boxes at home in no time. In this video of unique gift box ideas, you will get unique and amazing ideas. For more ideas and more amazing DIY work, you can go in the playlist on this channel. You will see different playlists about different projects there. If you like these videos, please subscribe my channel and come again to watch amazing ideas. You can choose the best one. Thank you.